Hey guys, just welcome to my channel Logical World. Today we learn how to get any Microsoft app like Office 365 without any crack and without anything hack. Just a legal method that we using. So first go on any browser your choice, paste the link that I have given in description, link number 1. Paste it and go. Now I am pasting it, see it. After pasting, this is will open. Then select your country. My country is India, so I am selecting India. Where is India, bro? Yeah, here. Selecting India. My first name, I am writing my channel name, Logical. Okay. My last name, World. In my business email address, I am writing my Hotmail or Outlook account that I have. See it, I am writing. If you don't have any account, then you have to put your personal email address also. Okay, it's not an issue. Now I am writing my mail. And if you don't know how to create, then see my previous video, the link is in the description, link number 2. After writing this all, Logical, that's my name, and my company name is also Logical because I am a YouTuber. So here I am writing Logical World, creating password for, and this is my email address for this. Creating my password, confirming my password. After that, just that's your choice, create my account. Here we have to write our phone number again. They will just text you a code, just confirming that you are a real or not. You have to write any phone number, select your company, select your country code. They just send me a text, and this is the text that I received. 345 346. I'm writing. After writing, just go. Just see, there are the two things are open. Just click on the first link, copy and paste anywhere, that's your choice. After clicking, this website is open, already login. If you are clicking on that na, okay. Now see, install Office, create, install it. Okay. See, in my PC I already have these apps, so I'm deleting in front of you. Okay, selecting all the apps, then writing my password for iMac. After writing, all apps are deleted. Also a zip file is also deleted. See, emptying. It's still downloading. Due to internet it stops, but it's download. Just wait for some time. Okay, it's again downloading. It will take 3 to 4 5 seconds. Oh, it's complete. Now we just click on the option show in the finder. After clicking, we just open it in the finder. Okay, now I am clicking on show in the finder. See it, the previous one file deleted. Opening, continue, continue, agree, continue, install, writing your password again, install software. Just wait and chill for some seconds because it will take time. After some times it will install, no problem. It will take approximate 2 to 3 minutes. Just see, I don't have any app now. After installing, I will got all the things. Okay, see it now. It takes about a minute. I am just skipping this part. Okay, now you directly see it. See it. 1 2 3, done. Oh no. Yeah, okay, install successfully. Close it. That's your choice if you want to move or not. Seeing updates, there is no update, all apps are up to date. And see the date, that is 10 August. Opening my world, and after opening, just click to activate Logical World. I am writing my email, I am writing my password, then activate. In activating, I am writing this, looking for license, activating, and everything is activated. You have to log in for only one account. After that it will work in everyone, you know, all are interrelated na, it's office accounts. Okay, see my PowerPoint is also working. Okay, if you like my video then like, if you don't like then dislike. If you like my content then please subscribe. If it's helpful then please subscribe, because I need subscribers. It's my newly channel, bro. And if you need any help then con- contact to Instagram link is in description. And anything else just comment, I will help you confirm. Thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe.